Ready to kickstart your day the healthy way? Today, we're diving into 3 brilliant breakfast recipes that are low glycemic, perfect for managing diabetes or anyone looking for blood sugar-friendly options. We're talking about tasty, vibrant dishes packed with good-for-you ingredients that'll set you up for a brilliant day. Let's get cracking and whip up some breakfast magic. First up, we've got a classic that's super easy to make and bursting with flavor, a Greek yogurt and berry parfait. This breakfast option is not only quick to prepare but also incredibly versatile. We start with a good dollop of unsweetened Greek yogurt, a protein powerhouse. Greek yogurt is rich in probiotics, which are great for your gut health. Next, we're going in with some beautiful fresh berries. These little gems are not just tasty but also packed with vitamins and minerals. Use any berries you like. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, they're low in glycemic load and packed with antioxidants. Antioxidants help fight off free radicals, keeping your cells healthy. For texture and crunch, sprinkle on some chia seeds. Chia seeds are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. And to finish things off, add a handful of your favorite nuts. Almonds, walnuts, pecans, they all work a treat. Nuts add healthy fats and additional protein, making this parfait even more nutritious. This parfait is not only delicious, but it's also doing wonders for your body. It's a balanced meal that keeps you full and energized throughout the morning. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein, which helps keep your blood sugar levels stable. It also contains calcium, which is essential for strong bones. And let's not forget about the berries. They are high in fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Studies have shown that regularly enjoying berries can improve insulin sensitivity. This means they help your body manage blood sugar levels more effectively. That means your body becomes more efficient at using insulin to regulate your blood sugar levels. It's a win-win. So next time you're looking for a quick, healthy breakfast, remember this Greek yogurt and berry parfait. Now, who doesn't love a good omelet for breakfast? It's a classic morning meal that never goes out of style. It's quick, easy, and packed with goodness. Perfect for those busy mornings when you need something nutritious and delicious. This avocado and veggie omelet is a winner. It's not just tasty, but also incredibly healthy. Start with 2 eggs, or use egg whites if you prefer. Egg whites are lower in calories and cholesterol. Eggs are a brilliant source of protein and essential nutrients. They provide the energy you need to kickstart your day. Whisk those eggs up until they're nice and frothy. This helps make the omelet light and fluffy. Prep some veggies, diced tomatoes, spinach, bell peppers, and of course, avocado. These veggies add color, flavor, and a ton of vitamins. Avocado is full of healthy fats, which slow down the digestion of sugar into your bloodstream. This helps keep you full longer. Heat up a pan with a drizzle of olive oil and pour in your whisked eggs. Olive oil is a great choice for cooking because it's heart healthy. Once it starts to set, add in your veggies and let them cook until tender. The veggies will soften and blend beautifully with the eggs. Slice up half an avocado and place it right on top of your omelet. This adds a creamy texture and rich flavor. This omelet is a nutritional powerhouse. It's loaded with vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. The combination of protein from the eggs and healthy fats from the avocado keeps your blood sugar stable. This is crucial for maintaining energy levels throughout the day. It's all about making smart choices that make you feel your best. Enjoy this delicious and nutritious omelet and start your day off right. For those mornings when you fancy something warm and comforting, let's make a bowl of steel-cut oats with almonds and berries. This dish is perfect for starting your day on a nutritious note. This one is a proper hug in a bowl, packed with slow-releasing energy that will keep you going for hours. It's like a cozy blanket for your stomach. Use steel-cut oats. They have a lower glycemic index, meaning they won't cause a rapid spike in your blood sugar levels. Unlike rolled oats, they take longer to digest, providing sustained energy. Cook them according to the package instructions. Typically, this involves simmering them in water or milk for about 20 to 30 minutes until they reach a creamy consistency. While the oats are cooking, get your toppings ready. Fresh berries and nuts not only add flavor but also boost the nutritional value of your breakfast. Fresh berries add a burst of flavor and antioxidants. They are rich in vitamins and minerals, making your breakfast both delicious and healthy. For crunch and healthy fats, sprinkle on a handful of almonds or walnuts. These nuts are great sources of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Once your oats are cooked, transfer them to a bowl. The aroma of freshly cooked oats is simply irresistible. Top with your berries and nuts, and if you fancy a bit of creaminess, a drizzle of unsweetened almond milk works a treat. This adds a smooth texture and enhances the flavor. These oats are a fiber superstar, helping to keep your blood sugar levels stable. They are also great for digestion and can help you feel full longer, making them an excellent choice for a hearty breakfast. So there you have it. 3 delicious and nutritious breakfast options perfect for managing your blood sugar levels and keeping you feeling your best. These recipes are packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats, all the good stuff to keep your blood sugar stable and your energy levels high. Give these recipes a go and let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to my channel for more delicious and diabetic-friendly recipes. See you in the next one.